Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Question is 15 minus 15 times 15 minus 15. Here is a simple subtraction. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0 times 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So 0 times 0 is equal to 0 will be our answer. But this method is not correct. According to both math principle, first of all, we have to solve parentheses r bracket. So 15 minus 15. This bracket have 15 minus 15. When 15 minus 15 will be equal to 0. Okay? Now, according to both math principle, there is division and multiplication. But in this question, there is no division, so we will multiply. 15 minus 15 times 0 is equal to 0. So its answer will be 15. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.